stay. Lost.
Paris, November 1793. Philibert Aspairt, a doorkeeper for the Val-de-Grace hospital, decided to go alone into the catacombs. Tales tell us that he was looking for the famous Chartreuse liquor stocked in the cellar under the Jardin de Luxembourg. Philibert, with only one candle, went to the unknown. Soon after his search, his candle went out, and amongst the tunnels of skulls, bones, and darkness, Philibert was lost. His body was not discovered until 1804, 11 years later, in one of the quarry galleries. Aspairt was identified by the hospital key ring hanging from his belt. The cause of his death was never determined. Imagine living a purposeless life, but creating a legacy from an adventure filled by liquor. But his desire for adventure is what created this small and sour legacy, but legacy nonetheless. He has a memorial held in the Paris Catacombs, and you can find his story in games such as the Assassin's Creed. Look, getting lost in a strive for adventure is that of a curious pinch to remind us that we are free. If you prepare too much on adventures, you're going to forget why you wanted to go in the first place. In the Chronicles of Narnia, some kids were lost in a wardrobe and found a whole world. Looking back, there were probably some drugs involved, but it taught us that curiosity doesn't have a limit. Fighting dragons in Skyrim is fun, but the best part of Skyrim was getting lost. Everything happens for a reason. Nothing happens for a reason. The world is a sandbox. There's some shit out there that's kinda cool, and you might end up like Philibert, but his sorry death gave him a legacy. Go get yours. Get lost.